Greetings, everybody, especially you YouTubers. This is the grain heads that we've cut off of our wheat. We've got a few boxes of this, and if we can come around this side, you can see our arrangement here for threshing. Here's another couple tubs of wheat. Come this way, please. This is our bed sheet arrangement. Come around this side. The wheat is going to go into here. It's going to be threshed in here. It will come out there into the bed sheet as chaff and wheat. This is our power source. This is a Sears Craftsman rototiller with the guard off. Don't tell OSHA. A belt to run the threshing machine with, and this is going to power the threshing machine from this engine here. So now we're going to start it, hopefully. So here we have the chaff that the wind driveth away, or in this case, the fan.
We're making whole wheat blueberry pancakes for supper. So this is how we do it. 1 1/4 cups of whole wheat flour from our field, and 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of salt,